So we're gonna have to wait. It is Saturday.
Safety na po. Dry bag.
Ay, may pandesal siya.
Your shoes will gonna get wet. We have slippers.
I'm fine.
Where's the line?
Right there's a ticket office.
Saan po yung pila mo? Para sa nag-permit na kayo. Dito na lang po ma'am. Require lang po kayo ng mga ano lang po ma'am.
Say it again.
So mag-English. English.
Okay. Better go get a ticket. Okay. We're ready to go. Everything's working.
Pili lang ma'am. Bebe? Pasok lang po ma'am. Good morning sir. Ano po sir? Sinigang na baboy ma'am.
Yan, may
Sinigang
sinigang
kami ni
isda.
isda ma'am. Ma'am, sinigang na isda.
Ito.
Sinigang na isda.
Ito yung baboy o isda.
Kaninang ka. Ito.
Oh, kani og sinigang na baboy o sinigang na isda.
Ikaw pa po.
Malinig ba ito?
Kali mo daw? Kani?
Baboy,
Ready yan eh.
Fish for breakfast. Really? Yeah. Enough to kill me.
Saan nga lang ka? Ha? Chicken?
That looks pretty good. Some vegetables.
Ma'am, doon na kayo sa labas na.
Isang hotdog lang ako?
Pinakbit to, ma'am.
Oh, I can even smell the fish for breakfast.
Pork yun.
Lanta at saka pork.
Is that pork?
No, it's jackfruit salad.
Looks like meat.
No, it's
No meat.
jackfruit.
Cat food.
Jackfruit.
Oh, jackfruit.
Yeah.
Since you're getting some, I'll taste it.
Okay.
Isa rin.
Looks like pork.
Yeah.
Looked like
this
it
is
had
chicken,
ribs.
This is chicken and this is pork.
Oh, this is chicken?
No, paano? Ay, may three, ma'am.
Wait lang ma'am, ipag-isa ko na lang yan sa kasari ma'am.
Okay.
Reading in class today, folks. Class A. Alright, I was slow to get to the food. They had fish, they had, I don't know, some pork and some vegetables and some
Jackfruit
other,
salad.
they called that a salad. I gotta taste that. It looks like meat, but she said it wasn't. And I have no idea what it is. Kind of sweet, of course, a little vinegarish. And she got some sort of mango shake.
Magbibideo siya.
And then I got mine with 180. And that was separate. 700, 800, 630, 730, 760 pesos, folks. 11 American dollar. We're styling out. We've got our ticket to the Underground River, but that's about it. We haven't paid for it in case the weather gets bad. Now, after our breakfast right there, it's 10 a.m. I know where to go. All all of these vans. Our tour vans.
Driver po, lagay ng cellphone.
Look at them all. So we're gonna have to wait. It is Saturday.
Safety na po. Driver.
Ay, may pandesal siya.
Your shoes will gonna get wet. We have slippers.
I'm fine.
Where's the line?
Right there's the ticket office.
Saan po yung pila mo? Para sa nag-free permit na kayo. Hindi ko na lang po ma'am. Tapos free lang po kayo ng mga ano lang po ma'am.
Say it again.
So mag-English.
Okay. Better go get a ticket. We already got the ticket in Palawan, but we are going to pay, and she didn't pay in Port-au-Prince in case the weather was bad. Two cups instant coffee. Okay, I believe the 2 cups of coffee were 40 pesos. 30 cents. I gave her 1,000 pesos. Didn't have change and I owed her. Anyway, I just said, give me 20 pesos, we'll be good. So I paid 70 pesos or $1 for 2 cups of coffee.
525.
5, but if you want to wait another 2 person, we need to wait another. We need to wait.
That's right. That's right.
To wait? Sa inyo ba okay lang din?
You wanna wait? You wanna wait because we need to find another 2.
I don't care. It doesn't matter to me.
So what time?
It ain't that much. How much is it?
Huh?
600 pesos? Let's go.
I'm waiting. And you told me.
Kung magpa-private po kayo, pwede naman po. Pero ang babayaran nyo 2,000.
Yes, it's okay. If we keep waiting for another 2, some of them are groups, so we can't team
Yeah,
up
I know
another.
that. Just let's go.
Us?
Get us going, whatever.
Hindi na ko kasi si Greg kay kahapon na
Kayo
makabayad.
na lang, ma'am.
Di ba?
Kasi pag mag-wait tayo
Yung makabayad kahapon.
another 3, so maybe it will take us long.
Hmm?
It will take us long to wait for another 3.
I know. Just do it, whatever you want. Let's go.
Just the
Days
3 of
going
us.
by.
Just the 3 of us?
I don't care. The Frenchman didn't want to be with us?
No. She wants to wait.
So how much is it?
21.
Huh?
2100.
2,100. We'll wait.
We'll wait?
Dang right.
Okay, we'll wait.
We'll wait.
We can international na bata ba?
Wala po. Paano na lang, ma'am? Sa akin ako ng pangalan nyo agad, ma'am.
No, I don't want to pay 2,100.
Okay, let's wait.
We'll wait.
Another 3.
All right. And how much is it going to be when we get more people?
2-1 divide 6.
Huh?
2-1 divide 6. 400 and 350.
350.
Yes.
compared to 2100.
Yeah, because the one is private. So if we need another, let's keep on waiting until we have
Okay.
3 person last.
Yeah, that's a bargain.
So you wait until
Okay. The 2100 pesos, what I think I heard. For the it is so hot. For the 3 of us, it is 350 pesos for 10 people, which makes sense because it's the same boat with more people. So we gotta wait. We've been here since 9 o'clock. It's 11:30. We should have paid in Port-au-Prince, but you can't get your money back if it rains. Big advantage. The big advantage is if you book a tour, it may cost you more. But when you get here, you don't have to wait that long. All these people, they're everywhere, and they come and go all day long. And things have actually slowed up. But the tours, like we had a tour like at our hotel, started at 7:30. The cave thing only lasted for 2 hours. Anyway, all these buses, they actually get priority over you. Oh well. Right there, that is our resort. Right on the water. As you can see, they're really neat. Over here is the Sheraton. I'll get it on the way back. Which has way better lobby, all that good stuff. But then you get one of those looks just like El Nido. Actually, this is probably a much better place to stay. Oh, look at we got the tide coming in. About midnight, I believe, it's full tide. This is it. And then there's another tour that you come in through the back. This one. We'll do that tomorrow. Oh yeah. Looks like it's picking up. Actually, the sun is not shining, which is a good thing. Because I'd rather no sun and have it cool.